How to link Payoneer to TikTok account. Follow my instructions. If you're earning money from TikTok, Creator Fund, or TikTok Shop, you need to set up payouts. TikTok uses Payoneer as one of the main payment providers. Here's how you can connect your Payoneer account to TikTok. Step by step. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap the three lines in the top right corner and select Creator Tools. Now go to Balance or Earnings, then choose Withdraw. You'll see payout options. Select Payoneer. If you already have a Payoneer account, tap Login. Enter your Payoneer username and password, then approve the connection if you don't have an account. Select Sign Up. Fill in your personal details, banking info, and complete identity verification. Once approved, your Payoneer will be ready to receive TikTok payouts. After linking, TikTok will confirm the setup in your earnings section. Now, whenever you withdraw, the money goes directly to Payoneer. From there, you can transfer it to your bank or use the Payoneer card, and that's it. You've successfully linked Payoneer to your TikTok account. Thanks for watching.